Hello Aquarius, how are you doing? This is your money career reading for the month of July. Just a thought, Mercury is in retrograde right now and it's there till 13th July. So be careful, with your money transaction, contract papers. This I have been saying across signs. And last month reading, last videos too. So that's it. Cross check your papers, contract papers. Go slow, at least till Mercury takes it forward motion, like 13 July plus 3-4 days, and then things will be, the picture will be much clearer. So let's see what your cards have in. 3 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, 7 of Swords, 3 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, the Star. So we have all the cards here, and let's see. I feel there are Aquarius, you have been working hard, and from recent past you have been trying to put your effort and hard work towards a certain goal or towards a certain situation. Maybe it's business or money. For some of you, you might have taken additional classes, or you went to so that you could enhance your skill. So basically, this card is about working hard towards doing a job or a thing in a much better way, and to enhance your skill, and it calls for not only financial satisfaction doing the job, for an emotional satisfaction too. So you have been working on this for quite some time, like from your recent past, and it's a good card, a card of hard work, and it's a good card. Then you have 9 of Cups. So this is like you want this, or you are moving towards this satisfaction, towards this goal, feeling independent, abundant, taking care of yourself, and optimism, happy energy. So this is where you want to be at present, Aquarius. This is your energy. What I feel is that you want to have a solid foundation. You want to have a financial abundance. So this is that 9 of Cups, happy feeling, optimistic feeling, that is it. With 7 of Swords, it talks about, there could be, you need to be alert regarding your partnership, or any deal that there could be, either there are two situations. One, it could be that you are partially doing the work and not completing it, so you need to stay focused and not get distracted. This is one. Another thing is that you were expecting some money, or from your job or a certain partner, and it did not come through as much you were expecting to. Like you are disappointed in a certain manner that the amount wasn't what you were actually expecting. So it can also talk about a deceit. It's a warning thing, like maybe somebody could deceive you. So be alert, stay focused. And retrograde time, really all of us need to cross check things, and then move forward, Aquarius. So now we have this 8 of Pentacles. So there are times you are not only working hard, with this card, you are again continuously working hard for this is the limit, the highest limit of hard work that one could have, Aquarius. So it's like you're putting your heart and soul into your goals, maybe a money goal or the job you are in. You have totally soaked yourself into that. You want to feel satisfied, or maybe you are feeling satisfied too, and I feel like you have laid the foundations before, and you have started working towards the early goals that you had planned for yourself. Now, Three of Cups, I feel this is a celebration card. So you are celebrating something. Maybe you worked through a good deal, when you got a good amount of money, or a job offer has come to you. This is in the last 10 days of July, maybe. You were waiting for something to happen, and it just come through. So you are celebrating a partnership, a job offer, a money situation that has come through, Aquarius. Very beautiful. It could also be happy times celebrating with your family and friends. Also, I would just like people who are still looking for a job, please reach out to your ex-colleagues, ex-bosses, ex-companies that you worked for. They could be, either get you a job, show you the way to get a job, or help you get one. So this is the retrograde time, and you will have celebration. You are having celebrations too. So celebration is about a victory. So there is a small victory, or maybe in terms of money, or a message or a letter coming in. So good. So this is a star card. The last card is of the star. It's a wish fulfillment card. For some of you, it's a wish coming true. You had this wish, you took a leap of faith on something, and it worked for you. So maybe you were planning a certain way. You had a vision of a certain way to do a business, or a certain way to for a partnership, or you were looking for a certain. For some of you, it's a star card, wish coming true in the last 10 days of July. So last 10 days of July, it's like celebration, wish card, great, Aquarius. But this is a general reading, so it might resonate with some of you, and I hope it resonates with all of you. So this is it. One thing I would like to tell the people who are looking, just have to do, this is a time to make your YouTube publicity, the publicity, market yourself well, put out your resume, and online, you can reach out to people and companies online. So it's a great way, in this, or virtual meetings, it's a great way to market yourself or your product. So I'll just pull out one more card, Aquarius, which is the message from the universe, and we'll see what the universe has. So card for the universe message, let me just check. This message has come for some other sign too. It's just telling that sometimes you just get into that world of getting distracted, that things have happened to you in the past, some self-pity mode, that you went through a lot, and so don't get into that mode, self-pity mode, because you might lose out on certain opportunities that you are around. So it's basically a card of not getting distracted, staying focused, looking for opportunities around, and definitely this is like, you can say it is an warning or an alert card from the universe, just that there will be opportunities for you and you could miss out. So just it's telling you to be alert and focused. So all the best. It's a good reading comparatively, Aquarius, and emotionally also I feel you will be in a better state than previous months. So this is it. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in August reading. Thank you.